Look at that. We are looking at cotton plants. Cotton plants. Cotton plants. Hold on, hold on. Look, my auntie is showing you. Look at it. Cotton plant. Cotton. How you can just take the cotton off the plant. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look. Look. She's gonna come show you. This is the same. That's cotton. It goes into the pillows and everything. Look at it. Look at it. It's on the tree. It's growing on the tree. One right there. One right here. Look at it. That's it. That's cotton. That's cotton.